In this video, I'll show you how to run reports in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so your daily transactions turn into clear summaries you can actually use. After signing in, click Reports from the left menu to open the Reporting Center, where you'll typically land on standard reports with the most common options ready to run. Scroll or use the search bar to find what you need, like profit and loss, balance sheet, sales summaries, or customer and vendor aging, then click the report name and QuickBooks will generate it. Once it opens, go to the top left controls to set the report period use, presets like month or year, or choose a custom start and end date so the totals match the exact time frame you're reviewing. In the same area, choose cash or accrual if that option appears, because it changes when income and expenses are recognized and can dramatically change what you see. If something looks wrong, the first fix is almost always checking the date range and method, then drilling into any number to view the underlying transactions. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make reporting simple and accurate.